Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Halloween, give your customer a treat without scaring away your profits. Instead of unlimited discounts, get them smartly. For example, 50% off up to top $400. That means small orders still get the full 50%, but if someone tries a massive card, your discount stops safely at $400. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting up discount percentage with the cap amount, I'm using Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify app store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. And choose a discount code as your discount type and give any discount code. For now, I am adding Halloween 400 as my discount code. Now I am giving a percentage of 50 with a capping amount of 400. Now, this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 400. Even though the 50% of the cart value is higher than 400, our cap amount ensures that the discount amount will be only 400. And I can also set the discount can be applied to all the products or a specific product or a specific collection. So for now, I am adding it for the all the products. I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement here, so I am opting the first option. I can also set some customer eligibility with all customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order like that. And I can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in total, which means if I am giving 100 here, then this discount will be available for the 100 first users. I can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. Now, here we can set our active dates of this code. Like the Halloween 400 will be available from this date to this date. We can set it from here. So, if you are planning to give the Halloween discount throughout the Halloween month or a week, you can configure those setup in the active dates. And you can also club this discount with existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. Now, after adding all the details, I am saving the changes. Now, I am checking whether my discount code got activated. Now, you can see that the Halloween 400 is got activated. Now, I am checking the setup in our online store. Now, I am adding the product of worth 5000 here to the cart. I am adding a Halloween 400 code. Now you can see that only the 400 amount, which is our cap, which is the capping amount, is deducted from the MRP. We know that the 50% of 5000 is more than 400. Since we have capped the discount code, discount amount at 400, the users will never get any amount beyond the 400 one. Let's check with some other products now. Now I'm trying to buy a product offer 599. Applying the code. Now you can see that the 50% of the 599 is 299. So this product has got for completely 50% of because which is below the 400 one. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you need to set this up in your store, just go to the app link in the description and try it on your online store. Thanks for watching.